today, as I was here in Punjab to attend a national conference of nursing, I was amazed by the proactiveness behalf of Annie India. I was able to deliver international patient safety goals to the nursing students of BSc and GNM. And what I see around this college, it's very friendly for the students. The students look smart enough because we just told them that you be prepared for a role play, and proactively they were able to perform on international patient safety goals. That shows that the vision and mission of the nursing college is good and investing towards the future of nursing profession. The message for the students is only one, that they are the advocate of the patients and investing into knowing the upgraded knowledge and being job ready. Being job ready is knowing, attending certain sessions online, offline, like international patient safety goals, skillathon for IV, peripheral lines, getting that communication for healthcare. Being a healthcare professional, the communication also needs to be good enough. And the biggest and the foremost thing that I want them to know is remembering the safety of the patient and empowering themselves to be the advocate to keep their patients safe.